Alex McMurtry, senior from Midlothian, Virginia, finishing off the rotation for Florida on bars.
Huge release move by Alex. She has amazing lines. I love watching her compete. She makes everything look so effortless and clean. Pretty quick and well-packed routine. Full twisting double back, well above the high bar. Scooched her feet on that landing.
She's going to be mad. I guarantee you she is mad just because of that little hop.
I'm just going to, like, inch my toes forward real quick on this mat. So frustrating. I bet she's, look at that, so much height, so much time to see the floor.
And that has got to be above a 9-9.